What's going on, pop stars? You guys, I pray that you all are doing well, as always. I hope that you are spending time with your family. I hope that you are taking the time this year to embark upon the things that you could be doing, you should be doing, you want to be doing, and not stressing over the things that you just have no control over. Because you know what? That's wasted time. You guys, I'm popping in today because I am about to share and reveal something with you that I'm not really proud of, but I'm sure a lot of us are guilty of. I am about to tackle something that I've been putting off for way too long. It is right behind me, otherwise known as my pantry. I have got to open this door and I have got to straighten up the natural disaster that has occurred behind this door. And I'm not quite ready for it, but you know what? It has to be done. So, without any further ado, here we go. You guys, you're only seeing the top shelves, the first three shelves. There's two more shelves, and then there's a base under here that has got things thrown about. And I just want to say for the record, it is not all my fault. I do have two little ones. We've been working from home, schooling from home. And then of course, when my honey's not traveling and he comes and he visits and things of that nature, you know, we're all in this. So this was created by all of us. That being said, I am going to fix it up and get it organized because this is really unacceptable. So wish me luck. Okay, so before I begin, let me give you a close-up. Maybe not the worst that you've seen, but let me tell you, and that's a shredder. Don't even ask me why that's in there. I think it's just tucked away in there because it was just some place to put it. But like I said, it's probably not the worst you've seen, but it's bad for me. So I gotta straighten this up because I'm better than this. Oatmeal, carnation milk, peanut butter, Aunt Jemima, beignet mix. I got this. I'm pretty sure it's been at least 2 years since I got this. Never made it. Maple syrup. Good old jasmine rice. You could never have enough jasmine rice. All right, it is all cleaned out. Here's shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the bottom. It is a whole lot of stuff, you guys. But I'm up for the challenge, and I'm on a mission to simply declutter my pantry. Okay, here are the results of all the things that were inside my pantry. So there's 2 mugs that my daughters got from some school function or something like that. We have Cheerios Oat Crunch, 2 boxes of that. Kashi shredded wheat, my absolute favorite. We have some oats and honey granola bars. Yeah, time to throw that out. You see that expiration date? May 14th of this year. Bye-bye. We have some Girl Scout cookies. I'm sure they expire at some point. I don't know when. It looks like one's open and one is unopened. Have some popcorn that is going to go in the trash. Jasmine rice. 2 bags of that. I can never have enough of that. I also had a foil pan full of a whole bunch of just whatevers. I've got to clean that out. Waffle iron. Heart-shaped one at that. That needs to be cleaned clearly. I had a pan of some of everything, it looks like. Old bread. Just pieces of paper that needs to go in the trash. Crackers, cookies, old snack, Halloween pretzels. We don't even celebrate Halloween. Like, how the heck did this get in here? I'm sure it was given to them at school or something, which means that these are old and decrepit because they haven't been in a school building since March. And if it says Halloween on it, that means it was October of last year. Yeah, going in the trash. Old chips. Some pumpernickel bread, which we actually love, but we haven't killed this one because it doesn't taste like the one that we're accustomed to at the Cheesecake Factory. So that's trash. Peanuts. Some trail mix. Oh man, raisins, super healthy for you. All of that, of course, is going in the trash. Cheez-Its, which I hate. Yeah, all of this is going bye-bye. Okay, I wanted to come back and show you all the other things that were in the pantry, ranging from chow mein to breaded mix to salad dressings, peanut butter, pastas, a few canned goods. I don't do too much of that. Some utensils, travel utensils. I don't throw those out because, anytime you have anybody come by and visit and they take plates, you don't want to give them your silverware, so you give them those. Aunt Jemima, some soup mix or something like that, which funny because I don't really eat a lot of soup, and things of that nature. So this is all of the before. I'm going to organize everything, get it together, and then pop back in and show you what a clean pantry looks like in my house, finally. That's the garbage pile. And that's the keep pile. Okay, I have some sort of organization. I have all the saran wraps and foils and stuff like that here. There is the peanut butters. Those are the boxed items. All the bread, bagels, lavish bread, raisin toast, croissants, cookies. Not sure how that got in here, but I'm pretty sure that's probably going in the trash. Pasta section. And bottled and canned goods. And then, of course, over there, I have the cereals and the rice. And then I have another tray coming with all the snacks. So we'll see. Okay guys, I'm almost done, but before I show you the finished look and pantry, I wanted to share with you and ask you guys, do any of you guys do this too? Have like a collection of condiments? I call this our condiment station, where we have like sauces and stuff that we get from like takeout and things of that nature. Of course, this is soy sauce, duck sauce, hot sauce, ketchup. I think we even got some grated Romano cheese from Olive Garden. And then we have some jellies. Let me turn that around. And some honey mustard, sweet and sour ranch, some syrup, and even some packets of honey. So I kind of hold on to these too, because sometimes they actually come in handy. All right, so without further ado, let's get to this completed pantry look. Okay, so all the things that were in here that were outdated, spoiled, and things of that nature is in that bag there. I guess not too bad, but I hate to waste food, so any amount is bad in my book. But let me show you what the pantry looks like now. So from the top to the bottom, I have some wine glasses that I got as a gift from my aunt years ago that we use for special occasions. And of course, on top of that, I have all the foils and cling wraps and everything like that. Second shelf has all of the canned goods. Any bottles and canisters with any nut butters. And I put the cereals up there. We don't eat a ton of cereal, but as you can see, that's what we have. Third shelf has in list of priority order. It has my rice, jasmine being the best. I'm going to go to the bread because that's my next priority. So we have the bagels back there, the raisin bread, hot dog buns. We don't do that too much, so that's why it's in the back. So I try not to eat hardly any processed foods. And then we have a croissants. And then we have the pasta. And again, I don't do that too much either, but there you have it. Then the fourth shelf here, it is just a mixture of snacks. And I try to organize that along with part of my condiments from takeout, as I showed you in a prior clip. And just whatever snacks and trail mix and, very healthy for the most part, not counting this. This is leftover from whatever we grabbed heading out of town on a beach trip or something like that, just for, junk food. And then last but not least, we have the bottom shelf, which has my griddle. It has my colanders or strainers, as people call it. And of course, some more condiments that I showed you earlier. And then a clean floor. There's nothing like clean, y'all. It just makes you feel so much better, so much organized, and just overall good. So I want to thank you all for tuning in once again. For those of you who have not subscribed to Patrice on Purpose, lower left corner, you see that red subscribe button? Hit that for me. It takes a second. When you like the episode, give us that thumbs up. And when you have anything you like to share, leave us an amazing comment down below. Hope this pantry declutter and reorganization helped you. I just want to point out, you can go fancier than this and get actual containers that have everything labeled and things of that nature. But right now, I'm just popping in to show what you can do with what you have on hand. Use what you got to get what you want. That is the takeaway. Stay organized, guys. Until next time.